Hey everyone, it's Miss Mean here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share two methods. Method number one. First, you have to apply eyeliner on the thread to get idea how you are going to give an eye shape to your eyebrows. Take a coconut oil and apply it on your eyebrows. Don't skip this step. This is also important for shaping or shaving your eyebrows. Now give a shape to your brows. As you can see, I got the perfect shape. Cut your extra hair with a scissors. Now start shaving your eyebrows according to your shape. If you are new, practice first, then try it on your eyebrows. Firstly, you can do practice on your arm hairs. After that, try it at home. But you have to be careful with your skin while you are doing this. And without practice, you are not able to do this directly on your face. So be careful. Here you can like my video and subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much. As you can see, it's looking like a bushy hair, but now I am doing something different. So first of all, I will wipe up all the extra oil. So as you can see, I got a perfect shape. So let's move on the second method, which is threading eyebrows. Firstly, apply any powder on your eyebrows. Then spoolie your brows upward. Now cut the extra long hair. Right now start threading according to your eyebrow shape. If you are new, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more and latest videos updates. Tight your skin as much as you can so you will get less pain. My head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Now use tweezers to pluck extra hair to get a neat and perfect shape. Time wash away. If you are new, please consider subscribing and watch more videos. Now fill your eyebrows with a color and like my video. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Take care. Bye bye. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain.